Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add story to Instagram highlight on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in a device. Then tap on your story. You can add story if you haven't. After that, you can see the option of highlight. Tap on it. Next, give a name to your highlight. After that, tap on add. Next, tap on view on profile. Then wait for a while. After that, the highlight will be viewed on your profile. So, this is how you can add story to Instagram highlight. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.